This is a Saxon PTU from Tiny, and today I'm going to review it. This is Einnor Rating. Now, the Saxon PTU is sort of like a police military vehicle, and I'm reviewing this to show my support to the police. Brilliant blue paintwork, fantastic details, great white roof, and yeah, these are pretty nice here. You've got some nice plastic wheels, just like a military vehicle. The wheels run perfectly, and it's pretty detailed. Thank you for watching, and goodbye. I had my friend Sub2 Inc. to edit this video, so I'll link his channel in the description below. Be sure to check out his content.